Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 27RR-BL. This camper comes in at 34 feet and weighs right around 6,700 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED lights so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Has the hard shell cover with a quick access lid. Behind that, we're going to have your diamond plate rock guard. We have the curved radius front end. This is the black label package, so it's going to come with the gel-coated fiberglass on the outside here, the deep tinted frameless windows, and a couple extra features on the inside. Right here in our front storage compartment, you'll notice we have the LED light inside. Power cord is included. This camper is also equipped with your power stabilizer jacks. There's going to be a switch underneath, and how that works, one leg will come down and hit first, the other one will come down, and then they will equal out in pressure. Right behind me here, towards the bottom, we have this holographic light with the wolf head emblem, so at nighttime that really pops and makes you stand out from the others at the campground. We have your power awning, which also has the adjustable arms here, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have the blue LED accent light underneath it. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out of the camper. Full-size entrance door with the window built in as well. We have the full-size screen door, sturdy steps going up into the camper where each leg is adjustable. Outside kitchen area, we have your grill area with the refrigerator, ice maker, and a water source. There's an LP quick disconnect underneath so you can use the gas on the camper to run the grill that comes with the camper. We have your black label light out here with that emblem again. Outside speakers that light up blue. Your entertainment system, the TV bracket, is the same bracket on the inside. You simply lift your TV up, bring it out here, and drop it right in. We have your furnace vent right up here. Towards the back, we have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here. That'll blast out the tank for you. We do have the adventure package on this, which is going to give us that diamond plate rock guard, the oversized tires, and a 2-inch lift as well. Center cap is popped off. These are quick, easy loop axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. The side of this will turn red if you are low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We do have an entrance door directly back into the garage area. There is a vent up top. There will be one on the other side so you can get cross ventilation. That way, if you're hauling something with fumes, you can keep it aired out back there. And we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here, so the furry family members can tag along. We have the patio system all set up for you to view. As you can see, the gates fold up. You also have the ramp door you can lower down if you need to load up your toys with that. Bright LED light in the middle. Backup camera comes with it. And we also have the screen wall that will roll down as well. Over here is the other side of that vent system. Up top, it is prepped for a ladder. You could buy a telescoping ladder to hang up there for roof maintenance purposes. We have a light over here right by your dump station and also by the by the power cord here. This is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. As we move in front of the slide room, if you are at a campground that offers cable, and has it available, you can tap right into it and hook it up right there. We have your outside shower with hot and cold water. This is a low pressure outside shower. Your water fill station, if you're at a campground, you hook up to the city water. That'll pressurize the lines for you. Your fresh water tank is if you're dry camping, you fill up the fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is tankless, so it's gas only, but about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past, and you're only running gas if you're using hot water. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 27RR-BL. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, we have another light shining down that says Black Label. Again, at nighttime or with the lights off, that will really pop. We have your queen mattress over here to the right. Dinette in the slide room area. Entertainment center. And over here with the kitchen. And we will get started on this side. Right inside the entrance door, we have your main control panel. You're going to have your light switches, awning and slide room. You can also see how full or empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump, and this camper is equipped with 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks. So if you're camping in the cold weather, you can flip that on to keep your tanks from freezing up. Lots of storage up above. We have your range vent, venting to the outside. Large kitchen window. Double outlets over here to the left-hand side. We have a solid surface countertop with the Black Label package here. Storage drawers down below. The one at the bottom left over here is actually going to contain a built-in trash can. You could remove that if you wanted to just utilize that as storage as well. And of course, storage underneath the sink area. With the sink, we have this large single bowl farmhouse style sink with all of these attachments that come with it. With the cutting board, you have the rail there, a couple different baskets. Also, we have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We have the new rinse station for your cups and a soap dispenser on the right-hand side there. 3-burner stovetop that comes with the glass cover, so you can use that as prep space. Down below, we have your microwave, which is also a convection oven and an air fryer. Furnace return down below. Underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch, so you can kill all 12-volt power if your camper is not in use. Voltmeter on the right, and your CO2 detector down below. We have a 12-volt refrigerator. This camper is equipped with 100-watt solar panel up top, already mounted on the roof. And as you can see, the 12-volt fridge is much deeper than the gas electric, giving you more storage space in there as well. Before we head back into the bathroom area, I'd like to cover the entertainment center. We have your TV connections up top. We have the decorative wallboard, TV bracket on the back, thermostat on the left that will run your air conditioner and furnace. We have your fireplace, which can be on for looks, or it can also act as a heater and put off heat for you. That would be an electric heat. Stereo over here to the right-hand side, that is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible, so you can play music off your phone, and some storage down below. Now we will take a look at the bathroom area. This floor plan is going to have the bathroom that separates the garage area. Over here, lots of storage down below. Also lots of counter space. We have this large single bowl sink in here again. Your thermostat for your on-demand water heater is over here on the wall to the left. Medicine cabinet. And as we spin around, up top we are going to have this large vent fan that will act as an exhaust fan for you. And then we have the shower area. That is going to be equipped with a skylight up above. And also part of the Black Label package is going to be this really fancy shower head that has 4 different places that will disperse water. Also with like a rainfall effect up top. We have the shower surround, which is more of like a rectangle, giving you lots of space in there. And of course the toilet down below. And now we will take a look into the garage. As we step outside, as you'll notice with the patio door down, really just opens everything up. We have these 2 large bench seats, which can turn into 1 large single bed or 2 individual beds. Windows on both sides, helmet rack storage on both sides. And over here to the left, we are going to have another TV station with the mounts up top. TV bracket on the wall. This is a look at your range vent that will vent to the outside. Another entrance door back here. And again with the patio system, really just opens everything up back here. Lets in a lot of fresh air, a lot of sunlight. And windows on both sides as well. And now we will go back up front to the main living room area. Take a look at the slide out. I would like to point out that the air conditioner is ducted all the way through. That is on the ceiling. And your furnace is going to be ducted through the cabinetry down below. We have a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. We have a subwoofer in the middle and two other interior speakers. Blue accent light above the slide out here, and the zebra blinds, which can be darkened like that or partially open. We have a USB and USB-C charge port over there to the right on the window. Large U-shaped dinette. Get the whole family in here. Lots of storage underneath. Those are full-length pull-out drawers. Storage underneath that middle seat as well. And this table can also break down into another sleeping area. We have the main bedroom up front here. Queen size mattress. Hanging storage on both sides. Storage up above that is equipped with the doors, so you can still use that when traveling. Over here we have a 110 outlet that has a built-in inverter, so when traveling you can use that 110 outlet even if you only have 12 volt power. Up top here, as you can see, you can either have these lights on for a blue decorative color or they can be white for a reading light. On the other side of the bed, we have another 110 outlet, more 12 volt charge ports, and a place to dock a portable Bluetooth speaker if you chose to purchase one. And that will conclude our walkthrough on the Grey Wolf 27RR-BL. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.